Hi everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to be talking about why is it important to investigate the past, mostly if you want to create a better future for yourself. So the way we live our life today is mostly based on how we did live our life yesterday. And if you have heard that, if you have heard of this statement, history always repeated himself, then you are going to understand what I'm talking about, because this statement is true, because what happened in your past is what's actually playing out now in your life today. We all have been traumatized in our life in a period of time. It could be physically, mentally, or emotionally. We all have had it, and whether we are aware of that or not, because for some of us you could have just seen or be looked as normal, for example being spanked. For some people even today they still think that it's normal, but this is abuse and this is not good. And if that has happened in your life, it has gotten an influence in you and how you're living your life today. That's why it is so important for you now to really go back in your past and investigate it and really see what did happen in there. And you're most of the time going to be amazed of what you're going to find there. And you're going to also be able to see patterns that are now playing in your life. But to be able to see that, because I can guarantee you 100% that the way you're living your life right now, it's based on the programs that you received at a younger age. And like I said, you have been abused. That means you are still living in that mentality, in that mindset, in that abused mindset. And most of the time you're going to find yourself retracting yourself for certain situations or for something or of certain things that you will not even be able to understand them, but you will only be able to have clear knowledge on them only when you look at your past. And I'm saying that because most people out there, their past are so ugly to them that they do not and never want to look back to it. Everything that makes them want to remember what happened in the past, they want to avoid it at all costs. The point is that it is still in you. It is still part of you. It is still running your life because you haven't dealt with that so far. And unless you really deal with that, it's always going to repeat himself in your life, because you cannot run away from yourself. It's like, yeah, that's really it. You cannot run away from yourself. So if you want to create a better future, you first have to start by looking at your past and looking at the things that happened in there and investigate them. Like, women are bad, you should never marry women because they are bad people. Or for women, you should never marry men because they are like they are evil people, they just think of themselves and stuff like that, that we receive as a child, that nowadays we find ourselves almost like not able to do anything, to find a partner or to make more money, because we have those beliefs in our past that are holding us back to actually go out there and really express ourselves as we are really. So this is the most important point, why you have to investigate your past and deal with those old programs that are still running your life today, and then start today to build new habits or to build new program, because like our past is shaping our future. If you want to shape your future, you start it by now, by really putting beliefs within yourself, like how you want your life to be like in the next like 5 years, 10 years, and 20 years from now. And most of the time when I say that, people just say, okay, so I need to meditate harder, I need to visualize harder. No, it's not like that. That will never get you the result that you want. And the only thing and only way to do that is with TechnoTutor, because that helps you take the information right to the unconscious, where you want things to happen, where you want things to be, not in your head where you have it today and you forget it tomorrow and stuff like that. So that's why it's really important to look at yourself, look at your past. How was it in your childhood? Look at that, and everything that was not best, forgive yourself, deal with that and let that go. and move on. And only like this are you able to really create the kind of future that you want for yourself, for the kind of future that you want for yourself or for your family, and so on. Yeah, so if you want to know more about TechnoTutor, then just send me a message or just DM me, and we're gonna then we'll chat from there on. Or you can also join the Facebook group, and yeah, talk to you soon. Bye bye.